Alright, hello everybody. Nick from Arcade Hunters. We're here with Scott from the New England Arcade Collectors Forum. Also from the New England Arcade Collectors Forum and host on YouTube. We have Tim, aka Jumblejunkie. And we are checking out Bally Midway's Kozmik Krooz'r. Now Scott, what year did this game came out? Because I'm terrible with Roman numerals.
I believe it's 83.
1983.
I think it was 45 when that came out.
So, this game I have never seen before. Tim has never seen this game before. This game has a little toy spaceship in there. And pretty much what you have to do is you control this Captain Krooz'r. You have your little aim dial. You can also hit the button to put your shield on, and you can move all around. Thank you, Sergeant Jamma, for the light. Now, Tim, are you ready to give this game a go?
I'm intimidated.
He is intimidated. Let's go. Let's check this game out. So on the top you can see lighting up, that is your Captain Krooz'r's little home base. So what you have to do when that lights up, you have to get into that little base and you get bonus points.
Oh, I can move up and down.
Yep, you can move up and down all around.
Push down on that knob for shield.
There you go. Now you'll see, it's very hard to see on this.
It's just for kids, it's complicated.
Go up into that now, there's like a little green thing and it says 5,000 points.
What's that do?
That will suck you in.
They're trying to get into your mothership. That's what you're trying to do. And they're trying to prevent you from getting in your...
Do I go up in that blue thing?
Yes.
Yep. Oh, okay. I got you. What are you home? I get it now.
Come on! Go home, do it now.
Elliot.
And, oh yeah, that little saucer does light up when he goes home.
He's all happy.
You gotta add the toys in.
This is quite possibly the most amazing game I've ever played.
Yeah.
Oh,
So Scott, tell us...
There's no Donkey Kong, come on.
What is it, like Dianetics?
So Scott, tell us the story of how we got this game here for the museum.
So I was picking up a game for a friend of mine down in Connecticut, and the guy actually had this in his garage, and he was looking to get rid of it. I don't have room in my game room for it, so I offered it to Gary, and Gary wanted it, so I went down to pick it up. The guy didn't want to sell it to me anymore. He actually wanted to donate it. So the guy's name is Steve Moses, down in Connecticut, and he's part of the New England Arcade Collectors, and he was very, very generous and donated this for FunSpot.
Yes, so we have to thank him very much for donating this game, so definitely come down here and check out Kozmik Krooz'r. We got to thank good friend Scott. Thank you very much for getting a hand on this. And Tim, thank you very much for showing off the game.
No kill screen.
Yes.
Sorry. Try.
And you can go to jumblejunkie.com for all things that are Jumblejunkie, music, gaming, arcade related. You love them, you know it, you need it. So once again, for all of your friends here at Arcade Hunters, it's Kozmik Krooz'r at the A-Cam room here, and thank you for watching. We'll see you later. We have Scott and Tim, aka Jumblejunkie, throwing down in Wacky Ducks. Look at all this animal cruelty.
Every other one.
Hold PETA. Uh-oh. Tim,
Killing you.
are these ducks wacky, Tim?
You can only hit every other one. This is stupid. I wasted 2 tokens.
And the agony of defeat.